The marvel of skin: structure, function, and care. Let's talk about the largest organ, the skin. In the 4th week of the embryologic development, the skin begins to form. It first appears as a single ectoderm cell, accompanied by mesoderm underneath. The epithelial cells of the epidermis are made of labile cells. This means that they are able to continuously divide through the cell cycle. Every 27 to 28 days in a normal adult human being, the skin is shed. As you age, the cycle length may increase. The skin is composed of the epidermis, dermis, and hypodermis. The epidermis, which was developed from the ectoderm mentioned earlier, is composed of stratum corneum, stratum lucidum, stratum granulosum, stratum spinosum, and stratum basale. The stratum basale contains melanocytes and is labile so it can regenerate. Collagen fibrils connect the stratum basale to the papillary layer. The dermis is derived from the mesoderm and consists of the papillary dermis and reticular dermis. The papillary dermis supplies nutrients to the epidermis and is made of loose collagen fibrils. The reticular dermis contains sweat glands and aids in healing of the skin, correlates with Langer lines, which show the natural orientation of the collagen fibers of the reticular dermis, helpful for surgery incision alignment of the scalpel and wound healing. Carl Langer, in 1861, first discovered this phenomenon while working with cadavers. The epidermis and dermis are collectively known as the cutis. Finally, the hypodermis or subcutis is the deepest layer of the skin and is derived from the mesoderm. The hypodermis contains a layer of fat and pacinian receptors to sense vibrations and pressure, which is then interpreted by the brain, which can relay a message to the muscles to move. If this layer is involved in a 3rd-degree burn injury, the patient would feel little to no pain as the free nerve endings would be damaged. The skin also gives rise to the nail plate, where nails can grow from. Other skin appendages include hair follicles, sweat glands, and sebaceous glands, which secrete sebum, a natural moisturizer and antioxidant of the skin which helps to protect the skin. An overproduction of sebum by the sebaceous glands in the skin is one well-known cause of acne. The skin helps to absorb fat-soluble vitamin D, which is needed for developing strong bones. The skin produces melanin, which varies in amount and types. The skin also protects us against ultraviolet radiation and microbes to an extent. The skin is also helpful in reflecting what is happening internally within one's body and is very important in diagnosing certain ailments. Bonus tips for maintaining healthy skin are drinking enough water daily, getting early morning sunlight, eating enough fruits and vegetables, exercising, wearing clean clothes after each shower or bath, and moisturizing the skin daily. Thank you, and subscribe to Alive and Kicking MD for more videos like this.